Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley here. I've got a fun craft for us today. We're going to be making carnations, which are a type of flower. We're going to use these coffee filters. I've got 8 here. Some markers. We're going to draw some designs on them and just make them colorful. We're going to put them in our water, and in a few hours they're going to turn into these beautiful works of art. So I've got my markers and I've got my filters and my jar, and I don't have any water. Why don't I have water? Guys, I said I needed water. This is a professional show. We need water for our crafts. Like, where is it? I've been asking for water all day. Come on, where's the water? Well, there's the water. I'm glad I asked. The first thing we did was fold out our coffee filters and we began to draw on them. The girls wanted to make all sorts of fun designs on their coffee filters. But I reminded them it doesn't matter what is on as long as you put some color. The water from the jars actually moves through the filters and the color is just on the edges. It's kind of a fun experiment. The girls came up with some cool color combinations for the color flowers they wanted to see. Once their designs were done on all 8 filters, it was time to get them in the water. So we folded the filters in half, folded them again, and twisted the bottom corner. Then we added them to the other filters. Now it's time to put them in the water. This part can take a few hours. I'm excited to see what will happen. See you next week. Bye.